Cool, it's a winning trade, and it did go to my initial take profit, but I just wanted to be safe, just due to the fact that price entered this 5-minute order block, and I didn't want to see like a big reaction. I just wanted to get out as fast as possible. So let's get into the trade recap. So very good, like textbook trade today. All day we've been going up. All day we have been pushing up big time. You can see. So yesterday. Yesterday where is it? Thursday, Friday. Yeah, Monday. Didn't have too much movement. We pushed into that order block here, but we didn't get the reaction we wanted. Not order block, fair value gap. What am I talking about? Yes, we moved into that daily order block, but we didn't get a reaction. Then today it pushed right through, inversing it. What we can also see is, which aligns with what I'm saying, is we create if I'm not mistaken, a daily SMT here. ES swept the weekly lows, whereas did it sweep the weekly lows? Yeah, swept the weekly lows, whereas NAS didn't, cause a bullish SMT, which is another thing to add to my confidence. We can see that big push up, swept weekly lows just now. Weekly highs, sorry, I can't even talk. We swept weekly highs. After that, straight away, we got a beautiful reaction. We had a 1-minute market structure shift. On the 2-minute, we inversed fair value gap. 3-minute, inversed fair value gap. We inversed all of it. Cool. So what I saw from there is, because there's a big projection down, I felt I may as well enter at the the inverse fair value gap. Whereas I'd rather have a little bit of a wider stop loss, because I felt that price was going to retrace all the way back up into here, not even into the breaker. So, and I was correct. I'm happy I entered there. So I entered there, and targeted literally the New York Open lows, and it's good because I entered at, where did I enter? 9:45 bang on, and we can see that the manipulation phase from 9:30 to 9:45, manipulating the sweeping weekly highs. We've got a massive push down. I do see price going lower today, and if I was to trade, I'd probably leave 1 or 2 contracts open. We've got a 4-hour fair value gap. I think that we're about to, we've already entered into. We've got another 4-hour fair value gap down here that we could retrace into. And I'd actually feel quite confident that we'd do that today, because we've been pushing up all day. If we look at the lows here to the highs here, equilibrium of the range aligns very nicely with the 4-hour value gap. So I think it will go down today, because it needs to fill in these inefficiencies while balancing out the range into equilibrium. On the 5-minute, I would personally feel confident that price will go all the way down if we get a strong close, body close below here on the 5-minute and 15-minute. If that happens, I'm super confident that we're going down. But yeah, so good quick trades. The context is good. Swept weekly highs. If I'm honest, the market structure shift, I'm starting to realise that doesn't matter as much. It does matter a lot, but it doesn't matter as much as I was always looking for that. But what I should really understand is we're inversing a lot of fair value gaps, and we're ignoring a lot of order blocks, which also does cause market structure shifts. But that's more important. It's just disrespecting bullish PDRAs, and we disrespect all of it. We're tracing to that inversion fair value gap. Bang, entered, was in barely any draw. Well, not even any draw at all really. Pushed all the way down. Yeah, that's it really. I closed out early again because we entered into that 5-minute order block, and for a second it looked like it was getting some bullish reaction, so I wanted to be a bit safe. And yeah, so I'm personally very happy with the result. It could have been a 2.54R, but yeah, it could have even been a 3R really, but 2.24R is good. If I'm not mistaken, let me just calculate what I've made for the week so far. 1.46 hour a week, good. So see, when I do these hypothetical trades, I end up being profitable. It's because I think there's no emotion involved. Even in paper trading, I have emotions. But yeah, I mean, I've seen so many people. They trade like 2 or 3 times. Like they have a winning trade, then take another winning trade. Like it's like another trade, then another trade. I don't know how they have the confidence to do that, but maybe it's just a lot of experience in markets. But yeah, I ain't gonna end it here. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just observe the market, see what happens, see if we push lower. But I do think potentially today we could get a push into this 4 hour Fair Value gap down here. What does 1 hour look like? Yeah, we've got a 1 hour low down here, which is good. Liquidity equilibrium is near on at Asia lows, so it does align pretty well. But yeah, I mean, that's it for today, and I'll be back soon. See you then.